that I'd come through here and just kind of show some stuff I've done. Yeah, I had to rework that. It was in the way of the wall going in. Moved it onto the exterior panel there of the clean room we got going on here. I've just been putting in power all over. There's some more power there. Just pipe and box, you know, pretty typical stuff. Did all these lights.
Selling information to the Russians?
Yeah, they're our biggest competitor here, the Russians. Oh, it's just a little camera. I'm just taking pictures of shit I've done.
Is that flip thing or whatever?
No, it's a Kodak. I don't know, it's pretty cheap. Yeah. Yep, did all these lights. T5HO upgrade. Power for the cranes and stuff. Here's another thing, you know, I dropped that cord for the iron worker here. It's a 208 3-phase 30 amp home run. And then because new stuff has been going in, there's been a lot of power moved, you know, different sides of posts and whatnot. There's a lot of compressed air around here. This is a bandsaw, stainless only. That's a 460 3-phase 30 amp bandsaw. Got twist lock down there. And stainless pipe cutter. This is they do a lot of stainless here. I just put this in today. Power for this drill press and chop saw. Chop saws for strut and whatever. This here is another end of the CNC pipe cutter. Little 3-phase there. That's how I mark my cords. Yeah, here's the CNC machine. They're not using it right now, but I guess they got it down pretty good. Got exhaust right there, fume hood if you will. I think this thing got about 5 different branch circuits and compressed air and all that. Yeah, I did all this too. There's a lot of power in here for welders and accessories, like a positioner there. That rolls grooves into the Victol pipe for the fitting. Yeah, the boss asked me, if I could get anything more on this post here. I got a drive on there. It's got a pot for speed control. This is a 208 3-phase here for the Victolix wedger. Here's a positioner.
I'm not going to the IRS.
No. Why, you making too much money?
No, just making a joke, brother. How you doing?
Good. I'm just taking a video here of the pipe action going on.
Alright, very good.
How you got it in the positioner? Are you going TIG right now or wire feed?
I'm doing TIG, the procedure.
Okay,
Tungsten inner gas.
cool. Pretty big positioner. Got the clean room over there. They do orbital and plastic fusion welding. Build cabinets. I totally destroyed that with the lift and I had to rig it up with a strap. A lot of power in there for welders and stuff. Got another station here. We were using a portable compressor, but then they decided to get just a regular power compressor, and this thing, man, it goes all the way up to like 170 pounds. They want air in a big way. Yeah, I've done all this pipe work. Pretty much all this shit I've hooked up. There's a feed for the crane right there. Just like a 30 amp 3-phase 460. Oh no, this one's a 50 amp, my bad. Number 6s. Used to be a welder over there, but they've moved stuff around. I mean, that's been there a long time. I haven't touched that. There was some number 4s coming over here, 460, 3-phase, 60 amps. They're a little oversized. Anyways, I tapped those babies, and then we got, those are all 460, 3-phase 20 amp going to receptacles over here. Here we got a setup right here. We got 2 welders. 460 3-phase 20 amp twist locks, and then a quad right there for general purpose stuff. Here's another welding bay here. They're doing pipe fitting everywhere, tacking it, welding it, moving it.
What's up, dude?
Just taking a movie.
Making movies, huh?
Corby's over here. Looks like he's practicing.
Yeah, making a table.
Here's a cabinet. It's gonna go in there next. The big boss's bike. Microwave, hot water heater, cooler, and a freezer kept tripping, so we brought more power over. Here we got a bunch of materials. Mostly bigger industrial type stuff, you know, like heavy wall conduits, you know, cast and you know, iron fittings, galvanized stuff for doing rigid. I mostly do all commercial, light industrial type stuff. Place is just packed with too much stuff. I mean, stuff that isn't going to be going out for quite a while, you know, like kind of I think this is a skid mount boiler 1 and 2, bunch of cable. That's a lot of cable. Got some PLC cabinets. That's my shitter right there. Here's where I keep my stuff kind of separated out. My gang box. Got an endless pool here. One of those pools that blows, that pumps water so you can just keep on swimming forever. The shop used to do those. Not so much anymore. There's the kegerator. It's on tap right there anytime you want one.